driver destroys car during wild chase in Los Angeles County. Police chased a car stolen from San Fernando across Los Angeles County, and the suspect left no obstacle in his path. San Fernando, California, a driver led officers on a wild chase through Los Angeles County, eventually sneaking into a Sun Valley home through a partially open garage door. The chase took place around 7:45 p.m. Thursday, July 4, 2024, while police were pursuing a stolen vehicle. The vehicle is a red Toyota Prius. The driver eventually made his way from San Fernando to the Pacoima area, reaching speeds of more than 70 miles per hour. It was in the Sunland area, where the cops almost pinned the driver. But the driver kept going, eventually making his way through Van Nuys, before reaching Interstate 405. The driver stopped briefly at a red light in Van Nuys. After the pursuit onto the interstate, the driver moved from 405 onto 5 South, reaching speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour. The driver then got off the 5 at Sun Valley, drove through a gas station at the freeway exit, and had to speed around the bus. On surface streets, the driver reached speeds of up to 90 miles per hour. It appears that the police surrounded a driver after a chase, when the driver collided with a metal barrier, destroying the car's windshield. The driver abandoned the car in the Sunland area after he approached another metal barrier, this time the gate of a community. The driver jumped out of the car and ran across the neighborhood. The driver eventually managed to sneak into a partially open garage door. When officers found the home, the garage door opened and someone emerged, apparently living there. The forces surrounded the house and were eventually able to arrest the suspect.
say, once you let it change. It's like a family tree.